Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. It's pretty easy to do. Open your settings app, scroll down a bit and then you can find your apps option in here. So tap on it. Now you need to tap on the manage apps option. So here you can find your Instagram app among your all installed apps. So click on it. Finally, you need to clear your app data and cache by clicking this clear data option and clear cache option in here. After clicking clear cache, give OK to the pop-up message. Then you need to log to your Instagram account again by entering your email and password. So now your Instagram is working. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.